I have the Rabbit R1 and I'll be showing you how to adjust volume on this AI box. So just give it a good shake to get into settings. And on the settings page, you'll notice you can scroll using the wheel. So just go to volume, and to select that, just press the side button, and that's going to get into the volume menu. Now here you can adjust volume for voice, which is basically the voice that's talking back to you. You can adjust media volume, and this is a volume when you're playing something like music or something else. And then you have system volume, which basically is a volume of system sounds. So when you navigate, you might hear some sounds, and you can adjust that volume as well. So select whatever you want. So for instance, if you want to adjust the voice volume, you want to hold the side button and then use the wheel to scroll up or down to increase or reduce volume. So press and hold. Let me use this finger. So press and hold, and once you hold it, you can now use the wheel to scroll up or down to increase or to reduce volume. And once you're happy with the volume level, just let go, and that's it. And you can do the same for media volume. Just press and hold and adjust accordingly. And you can do the same also for system volume. And then once you're done, you can scroll all the way up until you select settings, then press that, and then scroll all the way up until you see home, select that, and that takes you back to the home page or the home screen. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.